Wherever you stay, your home is your heaven. Organization isn't about perfection, it's about efficiency, it's about reducing stress and clutter. Also, good organizing is not about changing your personality, it is just about changing your habits. We can be really happy by appreciating whatever we have instead of complaining what we don't have. Our mind is a powerful tool. When we fill it with positive thoughts, our life will begin to change. As change is the only constant thing, adapting to changes in the life is only way to keep ourselves happy always. Let's have a more practical approach to life by choosing to focus on solutions rather than staying stuck in the victim mode. Don't see the problem as big, but believe that you have a bigger solution for any problem.
Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. On today's special episode about our new temporary home, which is much smaller than the earlier one. The story began like this. We have booked a under construction flat which is supposed to be ready, but then due to COVID the possession got delayed. Meanwhile, the house which we were staying got sold out. God, you heard that noise? There is an interior work going on in our next flat. So it's so much of disturbance happening. I'm not able to shoot during the day. I think now they have taken break. I just went to them and asked, भैया कितना टाइम लगेगा और कितना ब्रेक आप लेने वाले हो, तब तक I can just shoot and finish my shooting. So now the noise is not there, so I thought let me do my work. Where was I? The house got sold out and the buyer has to move into their house. So what we thought, there is no point setting up a new house with all the furniture and all for just 2 to 3 months because we were staying in a 2 BHK and we had all the furniture. So we had decided to keep all the furniture in some safe place and move into a temporary 1 BHK flat which is fully furnished. Why am I sharing all this with you? Because this video is all about how we have dealt with the challenges by moving from a bigger house to smaller house without worrying much about the situation. So let's get into the video, and before that, if at all you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. The challenges were too many, but I don't want to share all my challenges wasting your time. I just wanted to share only few the major challenges with you all. Here comes the challenge number 1. First and foremost, we have to identify the things which are required to be packed and which are needed to be carried to the temporary house. So what I did, I have listed down everything from pen to pen. I have listed down everything in a notebook, and I have segregated things so that the packing was done without any hassle. We didn't miss out on anything. So this is how the challenge part of 2 shiftings were done without any problem. Challenge number 2. It's a kind of a service apartment. In this apartment, we came to know before we were moving to this house, we came to know that there is no gas connection available in this flat. We both were just got blank. Now what? Like there is no gas connection, 2 to 3 months, like we can't eat outside. We did not want to go for a new gas connection paying the full amount for just 2 to 3 months. So what we did, we somehow managed to get the cylinder and regulator from our known sources. So that's how this challenge also got resolved. And there is no washing machine. Washing clothes will be has to be done with the hands for 2 to 3 months, because there is no provision to keep a washing machine here. There is no utility area in this house. And one more thing, fridge is very small.
So this is how I have arranged my small fridge with essentials required on daily basis.
So in that fridge we can I can't keep anything like major items. I can't keep it at all. Even milk also I can't store. So whatever is needed, I just buy in very less quantity and then use it. If at all something is remain, green leafy vegetables and other stuff like flowers and all, I just wrap them in the wet cloth and keep it in the coldest corner of the house, so that I have tried it. It stayed almost for 2 to 3 days without getting spoiled. So the challenge number 3 also got resolved, and this is just a temporary thing, and I'll be able to manage this also. Are you able to see? There's too much of sunlight is coming in. So the gift wrappers are not only to wrap the gifts, they are used to block the sun coming inside the house. Because see, after putting the gift wrapper also, the sunlight was too much, so I have to keep it at this. So now it has become little cozy, otherwise too much of sunlight. This is the very economic and the best way to deal with this problem without worrying much of it. Oh my god, there is a noise and I keep on talking. I have to speak very fast because the sound is stopped now. By this video, what I wanted to say is, if we stay cool, calm and positive always, we can deal with any changes in life without worrying so much, as change is the only constant thing. So adapting to the change is the only way to keep ourselves happy always. And that's it for now. Stay safe, stay calm, cool, positive always, and have a great day. Take care. Bye. आवाज वापस आ रहा है. Oh my god. Stop. Can deal with any changes in life without any worry.